Hi smart builders, today we talk about Liebherr PR776 crawler tractor for challenging terrain and demanding road construction tasks. The PR776 is a dynamic player in the road construction field. The heart of the PR776 is its leaping V8 diesel engine, which delivers a massive 768 horsepower. This engine, coupled with a hydrostatic drivetrain, enables the PR776 to push, pull, and move heavy loads with remarkable ease. What sets it apart is its ability to maintain full power even at maximum speed, which is critical for road construction tasks. One of the most innovative features of the PR776 is its proactive power adjustment. This feature enables the machine to automatically increase its engine power when it encounters tough material, thus maintaining performance levels without any manual intervention. Leicester's electronic control system is another notable feature of the PR776. This intelligent system regulates the entire power management of the machine, enhancing efficiency and reducing fuel consumption. The crawler tractor also incorporates a double-blade control, which offers high precision and optimized control during grading operations. Leicester has also prioritized operator comfort and safety in the PR776. The spacious cab features a touch-controlled system for easy operation, while the wide windows ensure excellent visibility. An automatic parking brake also adds to the safety features, preventing the machine from unintentionally rolling away. Liebherr PR776 crawler tractor is indeed a significant contributor to road construction. Its powerful performance, coupled with its intelligent control systems and focus on operator safety and comfort, ensures it delivers reliable, efficient, and quality outcomes.